Hel- Hello dosto, today we are doing this exercise as you can see on your computer screen right now. Create a new workbook as shown below and save the file with the name payroll and enter the labels and value in the exact cell location as desired. After that you can get the gross pay, SS tax and net pay. Okay, so first I open it a blank workbook and I wrote it these things you can see as your screen right now. So I wrote it these things you can see here in the first cell. I wrote it payroll, after that date and time in different cells you can see here. If you didn't write properly, so you can see here there is a formula bar, so you can select the cell and you can write it here in this formula bar. Same thing with that. Okay, same thing with that. Now you can see here I need to create or I need to design my workbook same as this. So what should I do? First I need to go there and select first cell and till J and merge and center. Now you can see here this is become a one cell. After that same thing with the date. Okay, done. Now in this cell I need EMPL is above and the number is below this EMPL. So wrap the text. Now same thing with that. Okay. Now you can see here I got it these things same as my this. Same thing with that hourly rate, hours worked. If you don't want to do, click on unmerge. I need for this, but it's look good there, so I need to do again same thing with that. I got it all. Now I need to get this one first, so select both of these two and when you will see that positive sign, click with your mouse and drag till the last. Now I need to get gross pay. So what is the gross pay? You need to multiply hourly rate and hours worked. So what I need to do? I need to write equal sign, then bracket open, then select that one, multiply, so you can choose it a star for that for multiply, then choose it this cell, then close the bracket and then enter. Now I got it this value. Okay, when you will get it the first value you need to see that is a positive sign. Click with your mouse and drag till the last. Now I need to get SS tax, so this one is 6% of gross pay, 6%. Okay, so I need to get this one, write equal sign, then open bracket, select that one, multiply 0.06 because this one is 6% of gross pay, 0.06, and then close the bracket. Then I got it this one. Now drag till the last. Now I need to get net pay, so you need to multiply gross pay and SS tax. So open bracket and then click with here and then multiply with that, then SS tax, close it, the bracket and then enter. Now you get it net pay for the first fold. Now select the cell and when you will see that positive sign, drag till the last. So now it's done. Now we can design it with the color this one. I need here blue. And you can increase the size of font for this cell. So I'll take it 20. If you don't want, no need for that. Okay, otherwise you can do it like this one. After that this one is light blue and that one is dark blue. And this one is light blue. Okay, I got it. Now what should I do? I need to create a table for that. Borders. That's it. Now this one is bold, make it bold. So it's done. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you very much. Goodbye. See you later.